Welcome back, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur, and I'm going to teach you English language in your 5th class. And today let's start with your essay writings. In your syllabus you have 2 essays, A Visit to Zoo and My City. And firstly I'm going to explain you the meaning of essay. What is an essay? An essay is a written composition which gives expression to one's own personal ideas. Means it is a written shape of sentences or in the shape of paragraphs in which an individual give his expressions, he give his ideas, his views on that very particular topic. His personal ideas we have to convey, depict ours. So this is the definition of essay. Means it is a written composition which gives expression to one's own personal views and ideas. Essay should be organized as follows. An essay should have an introduction. It means three parts. In 3 parts you have to write the essay. In first part you have to give the introduction of the topic, whatever the topic is there. For example, in your syllabus the topic is visit to zoo. Firstly you have to give the introduction regarding the zoo. Next one is the body of the essay should include supporting paragraphs. Body of essay consists of 2 or 3 paragraphs, means in which you have to tell the merits or the demerits related to that very particular topic. And next one is it should have a conclusion. At the last you have to write the conclusion with your opinion. So let us start with your essay. A visit to zoo. Did you visit zoo? Anybody? Yes, it is just an interesting thing when you visit the zoo. So let us start. A zoo is a place where many kinds of birds and animals are kept. This is the introduction about the place. A zoo is a place where many kinds of birds and animals are kept. They are brought from different parts of the world. For example, that very particular category of lions or giraffes or deers which are not there in India, that are bring from Africa or any other countries. Means these all are brought from different parts of the world and together they are in the zoo. Last Sunday, now write your experience. This one is for you, but if you want to write as your own experience, you will. Last Sunday, I visited a zoo with my class fellows. Our class teacher went along with us. Our class teacher brought the tickets and we entered in the zoo. Means firstly, wherever we go, firstly we brought the tickets and then we entered in that very particular compound. First of all, we entered the bird section. There were birds of many kinds. They were all kept in cages. Then we visited the animal section. There are both small and big animals there in the animal section also. Inside the zoo, we boarded a small train, like safaris are there in the sanctuaries. Now you sit on a small carriage and roam all over there in the jungle area. So as the train moves slowly around the park, we saw red foxes. Now these are the animals which you see there. Red foxes, white tiger, leopards, elephants, wolves, lions, giraffes, hyenas. So they are all kept in strong cages because they are dangerous animals, come under the category of wild, so they have to kept inside the cages, strong cages of iron. Then there were also monkeys jumping from one tree to another. They made faces at us. A monkey is just a jolly nature animal. So when you see the monkeys, you feel happy. After the train ride, we sat in a restaurant and had our lunch. We spent about 4 hours in the zoo. Total 4 hours there spent in the zoo. We studied the habit of birds and animals. Means after seeing the animals, you are able to study their habits. What are their eating habits? What are their living habits? We took photographs of some animals. I liked the zoo very much. So this is in your essay, A Visit to Zoo. Same guidelines you have to follow for next essay. That one is My City. Firstly, write according to the structure, like introduction, body and then conclusion. So these are 2 essays. Read, write carefully and revise carefully. Thank you.